Well, I can tell them's already gonna be pretty. Man, I have not made a bait that good looking yet. I mean, that is amazing. Smoked that plastic.
You imbecile! You bloated idiot! You stupid fathead! You...
All right. This is a Bait Plastics 8-ounce monkey milk. Hard to count the drops with those. My big glitter. 0.15. That's just 1/4 tablespoon. That right there makes a beautiful monkey milk. Oh, I wish those bottles would drop like the MF colors, but it's hard to get an accurate drop. Probably better if we use just a measuring spoon. Get more of a accurate color. You know, because from one mix to the next, it would, it could basically be different. I'm gonna shoot this Crappie Commander first. You know me, I like to pour my plastics. Seems to get less air. Instead of more or less just sucking it up. I want to shoot one of these here. That is just gonna make a beautiful monkey milk. Alright, let's give them a minute to cool and we'll open them up. Alright, them dogs won't bark until I start recording a video. Of course, I like to hear them bark. I love my beagles. So I've been having to, of course you can go back and watch the video, but I've been having to make my own recipe of monkey milk. Boy, that is just spot on there. Check that out, Grayson. Oh, it's just like monkey milk, don't it? Looks good, don't it?
Now we need to make some actual size swim baits with them. With the monkey milk, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And some crappie to go on our jigs.
There we go. That's gonna make some good looking grubs there. These are my crappie curl tails. But this one right here, this is a fat guy's mold here. When I sell it, I call it the Crappie Commander. I believe they call it a stinger mold or something like that. And this is a two-part system to where you can shoot the tails a different color. That is just going to be a good bait there. There won't be, I don't think anybody's going to argue with that. One thing I want to show you about this mold here is, see this slide? You can shoot the tail here and then push this in and come in here and shoot the bodies. And whoever designed this was a genius. Okay, what we have here is just a bait plastic chartreuse. I had to try something different. The last chartreuse I had was wanting to bleed. And after it set out a little while, it would turn to like a dingy color chartreuse. I'm gonna shoot this real quick with these tails. Remelt that while we shot those tails. Went ahead and re-degassed that because whenever you remelt, you get a lot of air in those in your plastic, I've noticed. I forgot to knock those back down. Check them out. Well, I can tell them's already gonna be pretty. Man, I have not made a bait that good looking yet. I mean, that is amazing there. That might be the best minnow Grayson's done right there. This is the one I'm most excited about here. Man, that is something there. Some of the swirl patterns and different glitters, the hieroglyphic flake. This may be my favorite yet. Me and Grayson decided to experiment with a swim bait. Get that to zoom in a little bit. What we done is I just cut the fins and the tail off when I done it in chartreuse and then shot the monkey melt behind it. So I appreciate y'all watching this video today of us pouring these crappie jigs and this new monkey melt color that we've got. We really like it. It was a baked plastics, and then we also used a baked plastic chartreuse, which is a new chartreuse color to us. And we really like it so far. But I'd like to say this, on my channel, I notice I can see, you know, the age of people and that watch my videos, you know, where they're from, if they're from America or Russia or whatever. And most of the people that watch my videos, like 90-something%, are not subscribed. So I've got about 1,500 subscribers right now, and that means that about 100,000 people that are watching my channel, out of 110,000 people that are watching my channel, about 100,000 of them are not subscribed. So if you would, I don't really like the channels. I don't feel like, you know, I need to ask people to subscribe, but it'll help the channel grow. And I guess I can give you a money back guarantee, you know. If you don't like the channel after you subscribe, you know, I give you all your money back, which is nothing. But appreciate y'all watching, appreciate y'all supporting the channel. If you don't mind, give that video a thumbs up. That helps the channel grow. Some of my videos grow and some of them don't. Some of them get tons of views. Some of them get a few views, you know, just a couple hundred views. And the only thing that makes a video go from 200 or 300, 400 views to 7,000, 8,000 views is how many people hit that thumbs up button. People don't realize that, but you know, if you like what we're doing here and you like watching us make baits and work on boats and fish and run trot lines and just whatever else we might do or talk about, you know, hit that thumbs up. It would help us. And until next time, I hope God blesses each and every one of you. Keep my family in your prayers if you don't mind. And thank y'all for tuning in.